Hello, year 8I. So, you're stuck with the homework. All right, let's have a look. Let me give you a very quick tutorial to show you how I would complete it, okay? And then you just follow the tutorial and try to complete it. But I will have to say, if the homework has got this must complete, if it has this must complete, you must complete it, okay? Don't send empty work. You must complete it to the best of your ability. Do not send empty work because I will send it back, okay? And if it's must complete, you must complete it. So, but is it hard? Is it easy? Let's have a look. Very quickly. It's gonna be short and nice and fun. All right, so the homework. So the point of this homework is for you to read this guide, okay? To read this guide and understand the steps you need to create a database, okay? So you need to read this guide carefully. Sit down, read this guide. It won't take you more than maybe 10 minutes. Depends on the speed you read. 10, 15 minutes, maybe maximum 20, okay? Then to challenge you, to raise the challenge, I want you to give me a step-by-step on how to create a database. So you read and understand the guide, and then in your own word, let's say I'm not aware that you don't know anything about databases. I'm not aware. I'm just clueless. So what you need to do, you go and find the information, and then you bring it to me differently. You don't show me the guide. You understand the guide. You learn the guide, and then what you give me is either, let me change this. I just noticed it. Okay. What you give me is either a Word document or a PowerPoint. It depends on your skills, on your creativity, on your ability, but both of them are good and both of them will be acceptable. So now, you read this, you get the information, but you don't tell me. You give me one of these copies. So when I read these copies, okay, when I read these copies, one of them, I will be, wow, this person knows a lot about databases. I wouldn't know that you actually read the guide, for example. Do you understand? So what do we need to do? Read the guide and from your understanding in your own word, guide me on how to create a database, how to create a table, and how to add new fields to the table, okay? So this is your homework. You need to create a use this, one of these. You can edit these, okay? You can edit these documents. So I started this for you, for example. So step 1 is setting up the database. Step 2 is creating the first table. Step 3 is adding fields, okay? So your friend is the guide. The guide is what you will learn to become an expert, okay? And then, as I said, for me, I wouldn't know. Let's see if I can open this guide now. Let's have a look. Open link. I can open link. Right click and then let's see if it opens for me. Did it open or did it not? Open link again. Let me try. Open link in new tab. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have the guide. So this is a very powerful source of information to you. As I said, I am clueless. I don't know what I'm doing. And I want you to send me a step-by-step tutorial to create a database, okay? And then we'll see how things go. I will follow up with another tutorial, okay? So I will follow up with another tutorial on how to create the database, show you exactly that you will need to follow as well. You will need to follow with 200% focus, okay? 200% focus. If you want to take notes, you take notes, okay? And then once you finish, you submit your work. Make sure you submit your work. This work here, this one here is a must complete, okay? This is a must complete homework, so you have to complete it. complete it, and once you complete it, just hand it in. Let's see how what you need to do. So if I go back to update, okay, let me update this. You will update. So if I view it from a student view, if I see it from a student view, from one of you guys, hang on, let's see, from here. All right, so if you finish, you hand it in, but don't hand in anything empty, okay? You can make changes to these files, it's fine. There's no issue in making changes to these files. If I find them though, let's have a look. Okay, so I just discovered something. You can't access, it seems that you can't access this, the files I have. You can't access the files I have, which means I have to do it again. Let's see if I can reassign. Edit assignment, export to Excel, delete assignment. And that's computing for you, yeah? This is computing as you have never seen it before. Look, now I see a problem. View history. Can't see that. Let's see, 1/3 example. Okay, so you can see the guide, but we can't see the files. Right, let's have a look. Back. You know what I'm gonna do? Refresh the page because I assigned. Please go away. Okay, so now let's complete. Okay, so we have this one. This is classwork for practice. Now I don't need this. We have this one. Copy, duplicate, mark as inactive, edit. Let's see if I now you can access it. You can access now. Hey, hold on. So you can access them here. Can you see? These two files, as this is computing for you. Never be, always be patient. Find your solution differently. There's always different ways to find to solve a problem. Okay. My problem was, I challenge you actually. Tell me the problem when we get to the class. Okay. What was the problem? This is my challenge to you. So, this was the homework. Try to complete it again. Let me just reiterate what I wanted you to do is just to go through the guide, read the guide. Let me go again through. Okay, so action, student view. Okay, here. So read the guide, open the guide, read it carefully. It will take you about 20 minutes maximum. Then choose one of the files below. If you feel creative and you want to do a PowerPoint presentation, why not? Each slide will be a new add section, new slide. Let's see if I can add a new slide, yeah. So to add a new slide, you click here. If you want to duplicate this one, you just click on it and then you can add new slide as well or duplicate. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's enough, less than 10 minutes. Just try to do your best, okay? And go and read the guide on how to build a database. By tomorrow, I will probably publish another video about how to create the database actually. All right, have a good evening, have a good weekend, and I'll see you all soon, very soon. Bye.